Hello guys, kumusta? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have here another repair. It's a 2-layer cast brass chandelier with 12 sockets that needs to rewire the main wire and replace all the sockets. So let's start. Remove the loop. Turn counterclockwise. Remove also the bottom cap nut and cover. Disconnect the power cord from all the socket wire. Disconnect the power cord from all the socket wire on top layer of the chandelier. Connect extension black wire to every 3 positive wire of the socket. Connect extension white wire to every 3 negative wire of the socket. Then cut the middle of the white extension wire to make into 2. Do the same thing with the black extension wire. Insert the power cord from the top to the bottom of the chandelier. Connect the rough side wire of the power cord to all the negative wire of the bottom socket. Put a crimp on and crimp it. Connect the smooth side wire of the power cord to all the positive wire of the bottom socket. Put a crimp on and crimp it. Double check the wiring connection. Make sure it's correct. Put back the bottom cover and cap nut. Replace the old hickey with a new hickey. Put lock washer. Attach the hickey to the center rod of the chandelier. Turn clockwise and tighten it. Insert the power cord and pull out the tip of the power cord on the side of the hickey. Connect the two white wire from the top socket together with the rough side wire of the bottom socket and the rough side wire of the power cord. Connect the two black wire from the top socket together with the smooth side wire of the bottom socket and the smooth side wire of the power cord. Add a flat washer as a stopper for the cap cover. Put back the cap cover. Then attach the stem. Put the ground wire and hex nut.
Add lock washer and put back the loop. Attach the chain of the canopy to the loop. Then lock the chain with chain plier. Loosen the terminal of the old socket, then disconnect the wire and turn counterclockwise to remove the old socket. Since I don't have a candelabra socket with terminal in stock, this time I'm going to use the candelabra socket with wire. Move the wire of the new socket out of the hickey so that you can connect the socket to the arm of the chandelier. Put all the new sockets in every arm of the chandelier. Turn clockwise and tighten it. Shorten all the wire of the socket and strip about ½ inch long. Connect the white wire of the socket to the negative wire of the power cord. Connect also the black wire of the socket to the positive wire of the power cord. Put the crimp on and crimp it. After cutting the right height of the candle cover, it's now ready to put on to the socket.